pH and alkalinity, chloride, hardness, BOD, COD, nitrogen. Why these 6 experiments? All 6 experiments are similar in the same. In all the experiments, you are going to titration.
COD and nitrogen?
Nitrogen, yeah. So, in all the experiments, you are making titration. Okay. We did not include other experiments. That does not happen. So for example, if you get pH and alkalinity, okay, what you need to know is, okay, when you come first time, just everything will be there, okay, for you. So try to rinse. For example, especially this one, okay, you try to rinse, because before some student used, maybe he has put acid here, okay, then maybe he did not wash properly. So first when you come, you rinse and wash and use. Also after finishing, we are watching, you have to wash and go, because another student will come, okay, for that you have to wash and clean your area and go. This is part of the exam. Now for pH and alkalinity, what you have to know is, you will see, this is the sample, okay, for example, sample you have. So for this sample, you should know how much sample volume you have to take, okay. So how much we take usually for pH alkalinity? 100 milli. So for pH alkalinity, I take 100 milli sample, okay.
The sample will be...
Sample. Sample will be there in the bottle, sample bottle. It is written, okay, A1. Okay. So you will take sample, then...
It is always 100 milli.
No.
Always 100.
Always 100 milli.
Only for this experiment, not all.
A1 and A2?
We'll go one by two. A1 and A2. pH and alkalinity 100. Okay. 100 milli. Then see, this is when the electrode is there. This is the solution for electrode to keep. I have seen in the exam many students with this. He's trying to take pH and he called on this. No result. Not changing. He's adding sample. He's adding acid. And the pH does not change. Why? Because he closed this. Here he did not remove.
Okay.
He is putting like this.
No.
So this is very important for you. Small things. Okay. So when you take out everything, you wash. Okay. And tissue paper will be there for you. After this, okay, put it here and mix it. Okay, you mix it. Now you can start the acid anywhere, huh?
Should be
anywhere, need not be zero, but always it is better if you start from zero. All the things, okay, so that it is, sometimes it takes more and sometimes you forget what is the initial.
I will be given the formula.
الحين هذا وش اللي بالكاس صغير؟ مويه وهذا
سامبل
عينه وش هو؟
مويه عادي
مويه
كم يحط اسيد
وهذا وش هو؟
100 ملي سيد. This is, شوف
هذا وش هو؟
This is the 0.02 normal sulfuric acid. Okay.
طيب.
Here by chance some student he take out here. This and this label will be there. Read this and put this. Don't put, some students before they put moya muqattar here in the exam. What is the faida? If you add moya muqattar, it is not going to change anything. Here never moya muqattar. Not one student. Some student they put moya muqattar. Like
when I or it should be 100.
Don't call stupid. Don't call him stupid. Super stupid. So here then, okay, alatul don't start. Let it mix half minute, 1 minute, then start. Why? If you alatul start, this will go on changing and you are more confused when to stop. Okay, so you let it mix for half minute, 1 minute, then you will use here, you will not use any button, only this standby and measurement. Now it is standby, measurement, bas. only one.
Which one, sorry?
This one. Stand by.
Okay.
Okay. Then see the pH how much? 8.67, right? Okay, Shabab, can you see this is the pH? Okay. Sometimes yeah, 8.67. Sometimes here it is changing. So don't confuse, huh? See there 6, 7. Don't confuse. هذا خلي. Important for you is this should not change. 8.6. Okay. So take this reading. Okay. After this, huh?
1 digit only.
Yeah, 1 digit coffee. Okay. Because this second digit sometimes change because this is more,
Should I take it 8.7?
Yeah, you can take this 8.7. After this, this is 0. Okay.
Where is it?
Here is 0. Huh? And it should be in the same. After this, add acid here. Slowly add and check here what is the pH. Okay.
That's for
The pH should go. Yeah, the pH should go to. Okay, you have to record the pH. Don't remember, Mafi Hafaz. Record in your sheet. Otherwise, you'll forget. When you're adding acid, you'll forget. What is the pH? Record the pH.
Okay, should
Subject.
be increased.
But then add the acid until the pH goes to 4.5.
For what?
Until the pH goes to 4.5.
طبيعي لازم ننزل الاسد كل ليش صح
4.5, huh?
اسد
4.5. See, you can add drops. Khatrat when it is 5. After 5, you can add drops, huh? Because we want to catch exact at 4.5. Don't add fast. 4.8, 7.5, 7. Class? Maybe 1 or 2. Bagi 2 Khatrat, okay. Plus, huh? No problem. 4.55 or 4.5. Now, very important for you, 1 drop or no drop. Colors. Okay. 4.5. Don't bother here. 4.5. Colors. Take it. Okay. Stop. Yeah. Stop. And after this, you will take the reading. You will stop this and take the reading. For example, come 7.3, right? 7.3. Anyone has a sheet? Anyone has the muzakkara? Sheets for all the experiments? Or no sheets? Nothing? Because if it is there, we can check. I will check. Okay. After this, you have to take the reading. This is 7.3 minus 0. This is the
نقرا الاسد صح؟
الله يسلمك طلعت التقرير
لا عشان نصير زي الالف نقرا الاسد كم الاسد اللي ضفناه؟
والله اني قاعد احاول
كعب ليش
ما اقدر اشوفه لازم انزل اشوفه قدام
الزيرو هنا مخصص
شلون اودي
كم؟
اوقفك